Hey there, Sam from MAM here. We're installing GitHub's desktop client for Mac OS today. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to desktop.github.com in your address bar of your browser. This can be in any browser. I'm happen to be using Chrome at the moment. We click the download for Mac OS button. That's going to download a zip file. I have Chrome set up to ask me each time for the download where it needs to be. Yours may go to your downloads folder or somewhere else. I'm going to put mine down to my desktop now. It's a reasonably sized file, so that should only take a few seconds to come down. Rightio, so let's put a zip file on our desktop here. Double click on that, and that will expand out and blip, pop out a little app file for us, which is great. Now we're going to have to throw this into our application folder. Boom, there we go. It's got that funky little sound. Double click on that. That will initialize. It will ask our permission. Do we actually want to run the software? And of course we do. It's verifying. Yep, cool. Open that up. Now that's going to open with an initial page like this. If you are prompted through the setup process to sign into your GitHub account, please do. If it doesn't, you'll see a page like this, which is fine. What you need to do is if you go to the GitHub desktop menu bar at the top here and go to Preferences, and it will say, do you want to sign into github.com, and just say yes please. And if you've been following along and you're watching this video because it's part of the process for getting prepared for one of our workshops, then you will have already signed up for GitHub. And so the username and password that you used there to sign up for GitHub, so I'm going to do that right now, and that'll sign in. So now I'll be able to access any repository that I make on GitHub through the course of our workshop. I'll now be able to access within this program. So it's pretty great. Thanks very much for that. I really appreciate you taking the time before the workshop to get all this stuff installed so that when we do meet in the next few days or weeks, that we can hit the ground running and really hit hard. So yeah, thanks again, and we'll see you soon. Any questions, just shoot me an email or a message. Thanks a lot. Cheers.